Make I ask you this question. Between marrying one wife with different side chicks, two for Facebook, one for Instagram, two for WhatsApp, and marrying three wives, which one was pass? Yes, because a lot of things they happen for our society this time. Yes, before, we African men are entitled to marry as much wife as possible as long as say our pocket and we get emotional balance to maintain and control them. Yes, but nowadays, civilization and westernization influence don do am say na only one woman man fit marry. Yes. A lot of things dey here so wey we go look into. Na your street and your gaiman papa, Kabdaberechukwu Nwaneri, dey preside over this debate. This cap wey you see so, many things dey inside am. Cool down, may we begin. Yes, many men dey claim say they are very, very faithful to their wives. Yes, but if you check their phone, the lock wey they put there, even FBI no fit break am. Also, they get side chicks, two for Owerri, one for Lagos, two for Accra and even overseas, wey be say these side chicks dey get regular allowance for main ten ance. You see am so? These side chicks also no dey help matters because dem go know say man don dey already get married and happily married. Dem go still put head join for relationship because of money and soft life wey dem dey enjoy for the relationship. No be say we dey try praise or justify polygamy because that one itself get its own flaws. Yes, like jealousy dey there, division dey there, and a lot of gbese dey there. Yes, so the problem no be polygamy, the problem no be monogamy. The problem na human behavior, lack of self-control, and self-deceit. Na im be the problem. If you know say na polygamy you dey practice, be man enough, own it. Nobody get control over your life. If you know say na monogamist you dey practice, take good care of your wife, love am, maintain only am, no dey put eye outside, because last na person wey dey take good care of im wife and im family na im the society hold. Again, if you know say you get high testosterone, abeg talk am on time. Before you even marry your first wife, talk am, tell am say I love you but I get high testosterone. Yes, make him know say na polygamist you be o, no be only am you go marry. Yes, my people, if you have any comment, I want make you drop am sharp because na our society we dey try balance. If you watch these days, a lot of divorce dey for our society. People go marry, say I do. Under 6 months, they don divorce. People wey marry because say the husband get side chick. The woman too go comot from her husband house, come join association of side chicks. Now me be your guy man papa, your street papa. Yes, Kabdabere Chukwunwaneri, they relate to na this. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like this comment. Thank you. Till next time, we go drop our bomb topic again.